Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 2nd September 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, so proceed towards today's session. This was our previous question. Our first question was, which state will be set up India's first international women's trade center? Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha. The correct answer here is option A, Kerala. Kerala will set up India's first international women's trade center, WTC. Okay. Kerala is in news. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Chief Minister is Pinarayi Vijayan, and Arif Muhammad Khan is the governor of Kerala. Okay. Our second question was, who has launched a mobile app named Pensioner Corner? ICMR, CISF, DRDO, CSIR. The correct answer here is CISF. Option B is correct here. Central Industrial Security Force. CISF stands for Central Industrial Security Force has created an in-house mobile application Pensioner Corner on the Android platform for its pensioner. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, who has won the F1 Belgian Grand Prix 2020? Lewis Hamilton, Valtteri Bottas, Max Verstappen. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Lewis Hamilton. Option A is correct here. Mercedes driver Lewis Hamilton has won the Formula 1 Belgian Grand Prix 2020 at Belgium. It is held in Belgium. Okay, and Lewis Hamilton, it is fifth win of this season. It is the fifth win of the Lewis Hamilton. Valtteri Bottas got the second position, and Max Verstappen got the third position. I want to mention here that Valtteri Bottas is also the Mercedes driver, and Max Verstappen is the driver of Red Bull. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards next question. Who has stopped the publication of Ease of Doing Business report? IMF, ADB, World Bank, AIIB. The correct answer here is World Bank. Option C is correct here. Recently, World Bank has stopped the publication of Ease of Doing Business report, okay, to probe data collection irregularities in the annual ranking. Due to the unauthentication of the data, recently the World Bank has stopped the publication of Ease of Doing Business report. Okay, and in 2019, what is the rank of India in Ease of Doing Business report? The India rank is 63, in a better position. In 2018 it is 77, and it is to 63 in 2019. But recently it was seen that some authentication of the data is problem. So recently World Bank has stopped the publication of the Ease of Doing Business report. Okay, World Bank is in news. The headquarters of the World Bank is situated in Washington DC, and David Malpass is the president of World Bank, and World Bank is founded in 1944. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. India has withdrawn from military exercise Kavkaz 2020 with which country? The Kavkaz 2020 is a military exercise between India and Russia. So correct answer here is option A, Russia. India has withdrawn its participation from the military exercise Kavkaz 2020 to be held in Russia between 15 to 26 September. Okay, and due to COVID-19, it is stopped due to COVID-19. Okay, Russia is in news. The capital of Russia is Moscow. Russian ruble is the currency here, and Vladimir Putin is the president of Russia. Okay, next question. World's largest solar tree has been developed by CSIR and CMRIER in which state? Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, Gujarat. The correct answer here is West Bengal. Option B is correct here. World's largest solar tree has been developed by CSIR and CMRIER in Durgapur, West Bengal. Okay, and the annual capacity to generate 12,000 to 14,000 unit of clean and green power. You can see the image of the largest solar tree here. Okay, West Bengal is in news. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Chief Minister is Mamata Banerjee, and Jagdeep Dhankar is the Governor of West Bengal. Okay, next question. Indian economy is contracted by how much percentage in quarter 1 of 2020 and 21? 20%, 23.9%, 25%, 26%. The correct answer here is 23.9%. Option B is correct here. The GDP for the first quarter of 2020 and 21 has been released by NSO, National Statistic Office, and it is contract by 23.9%. Very much decrease in the growth of the GDP due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay. Which country commits of ODA loan of 3,500 crore to fight against COVID-19? Japan, Bangladesh, Nepal, China. The correct answer here is Japan. Option A is correct here. India will receive an official development assistance. Official development assistance is the abbreviation of ODA. Loan of 3,500 crore approx from the Japan government. Okay, due to COVID-19, ODA loan is provided by Japan, about 3,500 crore. Okay. Next question. Who has announced September to observed as Nutrition Month? It is observed. It is misprint. Observe. Okay. Who has announced September to observe as Nutrition Month? Prakash Javadekar, Amit Shah, Narendra Modi, Rajnath Singh. As per you see the image of the Prime Minister of India here, the correct answer here is option C, Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi has announced to celebrate September 2020 as Nutrition Month during the monthly radio broadcast program Man Ki Baat. Okay, September is observed to be the Nutrition Month. Next question. Who is observing Swachhata Pakhwada from 1st to 15 September? Department of Fertilizer, Ministry of Home Affairs, MHA, Department of Health. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Department of Fertilizer. Option A is correct here. Department of Fertilizer is observing Swachhata Pakhwada from 1st to 15 September 2020. It is a Swachhata Abhijan. Okay, and our Union Minister of Chemical and Fertilizer is D.V. Sadanand Gowda. Sadanand Gowda is the Chemical and Fertilizer Union Minister. Okay. Next question. Who has signed contract worth Rs 2,580 crore with BEML, TPCL and L&T? Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Defence, Ministry of Home Affairs. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Ministry of Defence. Option B is correct here. Ministry of Defence has signed a contract worth 2,580 crore with Bharat Earth Movers Limited. BEML stands for Bharat Earth Movers Limited. TPCL stands for Tata Power Company Limited, and L&T is Lassen and Turbo Limited. Okay, so the correct answer here is Ministry of Defence. The contract is signed to supply the 6th Pinaka Regiment to the Regiment of Artillery in Indian Army. Okay, and Rajnath Singh is our Defence Minister of India. You can see the image of Rajnath Singh here. Next question. Hari Krishnan Basant Kumar passed away. He was related to which field? Acting, journalism, politics, sports. The correct answer here is politics. Option C is correct here. Politics. Congress MP Hari Krishnan Basant Kumar recently passed away due to COVID-19. Okay, and he was from Tamil Nadu. He was from Tamil Nadu. You can see the image of Harikrishnan Basant Kumar here. I hope you got the answer now. This is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is, the first ever seaplane service will be started in which state? Our second question is, who has released two coffee table book? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thereby you can get the notification very fast. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Thank you. Have a great day.